then that is my end. Gumastos at magwaldas ng pera ng gobyerno para i-impeach Vice President. Pagtakpan ang kakulangan at pagsisinungaling ng administrasyon. Para lang hindi mapansin ng mga tao na maraming mga pangako ang napako ay babanatan at babanatan nila ako.
She also claims House Speaker Martin Romualdez wants to become Vice President. The Philippine Constitution says the President has the power to nominate a legislator from the Senate or the House of Representatives to fill the vacancy left in the office of the Vice President.
I really believe that we have reached the point of no return. They are really going after me. At gusto talaga nila akong tanggalin sa posisyon.
Meantime, Vice President Duterte declines to answer questions about her alleged controversial misuse of funds. Asked about how her office was found to be violating the rules of controversial